the road again. My fucking Ford is on the road again. Let's see how long it goes before it breaks again. Cause it's on the road with my fucking Ford again. Hi, it's fucking video time. It's fucking video time. My seat's off. See something neat? There's something neat to see. Look behind me, obviously, to my left. What's that? Yeah, it's back. It's back. My fucking Ford is back. My fucking Ford is back. How long will it be before it shits out next? Whee! Now, being exhausted, we're gonna go get something to eat at a nice Mexican restaurant down here in town, Rosita's. Clinton's Transmission and Auto Repair did an absolute A1 job on the transmission when you realize that it's a holiday weekend, and he worked right through to get us done and on the road. And then you realize it's also his 44th wedding anniversary. And what did he do? He's a ding-dong like me. He fucking works all the time. So he's working instead of celebrating his anniversary. So got him a little something to celebrate his anniversary with. See if I go have a nice meal somewhere on us. So we're going to be on the road here hopefully Friday. Tomorrow the RV goes to a different shop. It's going to get 2 new front tires and put the 4 shocks on that I bought the other day. And that will get us rolling along northbound to Alaska. More soon. That's it for now. I'm tired and hungry. So long. Thanks for following this shit show. There will be more soon. Good day.